Today we're looking at one of the most overlooked aspects of recovery, and that is hydration. Obviously, we talk a lot about nutrition, training, sleep, but hydration plays such a critical role in your body's ability to perform and recover optimally. Think of it like this: water is the fuel for your cells, whereas electrolytes is the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. So why does hydration matter so much? After you work out, the body needs to recharge, rebuild, and refuel, and water plays a massive role in that. Staying hydrated is critical for delivering nutrients to the muscle, removing waste, and even reducing muscle soreness and cramps. When you are dehydrated, this whole process slows down, leading to more soreness and overall general fatigue. So let's talk about numbers. How much water should you be drinking? I would say I'd be aiming for at least 50 ml per kilogram of body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilo, I'd be aiming for 3.5 liters. I know it sounds like a lot, but when you break it down over the course of the day, it is really doable and it is going to optimize your performance. And that's where electrolytes come in. Minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium are super important for making sure that our fluids are balanced within the body and optimizing overall cellular production. Think of them as the oil in the engine, and it's going to ensure that your engine runs smoothly. You can get electrolytes from things like a simple electrolyte supplement. I love coconut water. Obviously, sports drinks are some really good ways in which you can add electrolytes into your nutrition. So to wrap it up, keep hydration as a key priority within your recovery plan. Aim for 50 ml per kilogram of body weight. Keep your electrolytes in check and see how much better your body feels and performs. It's the small things that often make the biggest difference.